Welcome to the GPC app. Let us show you how easy it is to navigate and start earning. After downloading the app and registering, this is the homepage you will see. First, explore our current giveaways and full details where you can see what's live right now. You can also check out our last winners and their testimonials, real members winning real rewards. Next, visit your referral section, where you can share your unique referral code with friends and earn even more when they join. You can also browse our current deals and exclusive discounts specially available for GPC members. Then head over to your dashboard where you can track your activity, monitor your earnings, and stay updated with your notifications, all in one place. In the account section, you can check your account details, update your settings, and easily connect with our support team whenever you need assistance. It's simple, rewarding, and designed to help you win. Download the GPC app now and start enjoying the benefits today. Welcome to the GPC app. Let us show you how easy it is to navigate and start earning. After registering, this is the homepage you will see. First, explore our current giveaways and full details where you can see what's live right now. You can also check out our last winners and their testimonials, real members winning real rewards. Next, visit your referral section, where you can share your unique referral code with friends and earn even more when they join. You can also browse our current deals and exclusive discounts specially available for GPC members. Then head over to your dashboard where you can track your activity, monitor your earnings, and stay updated with your notifications, all in one place. Section, you can check your account details, update your settings, and easily connect with our support team whenever you need assistance. It's simple, rewarding, and designed to help you win. Download the GPC app now and start enjoying the benefits today.
afternoon, everyone. You know, one of the most satisfying feelings in life is when you start seeing that your effort is finally paying off. Hindi man biglaan, hindi man overnight, but little by little, you begin to feel it. Parang gumagaan, parang nababawi, parang may nangyayari na. And I think that's something so many Filipinos can relate to. Because most people are not looking for magic. They're looking for progress. Something practical, something simple, something they can stay consistent with. Something that can slowly turn into real value. And that's why this week's theme feels so powerful. Bawi na yan. Because sometimes it's not about doing something massive all at once. Sometimes it's about starting small, staying active, sharing consistently, and watching the results build over time. And that's what makes GPC so exciting. Because here, one good decision can lead to another. One referral can lead to another. 1 week of showing up can become momentum. So, if you're watching right now, stay ka lang until the end. Because today is all about that feeling of unti-unti may nababalik, unti-unti may nabubuo, unti-unti bawi na yan. Comment your city and province below and type, bawi na yan. Now, good afternoon sa ating 500 viewers and welcome to another GPC Live here with Ginto Privilege Club. Live golden, enjoy more. I'm Miss Ginto and I'm so happy you're here with us today. If this is your first time watching, welcome. If you've been here with us every week, welcome back. And today is especially exciting because later, one lucky member will receive 40,000 pesos cash. Yes, 40,000 pesos. So stay with us until the end because the winning moment is coming later. But before we get there, today we're talking about something many people want to feel this year. Progress that makes sense and opportunities that feel worth staying active for. Because inside GPC, members can access perks, prizes, and direct referral opportunities in one platform. And before we continue, I just want to acknowledge our viewers out there. Hello to Arceli Amos, to Rosalie Iludo, to Cerilyn Galido, to Ferdinand Rodriguez, and to Cagbantoy Beach. Hello, thank you for watching us live. Now, before we continue, let's quickly look back at one of our real GPC winning moments. Because stories like this remind people that the excitement is real, the members are real, and the joy is real. Please watch this video.
My name is Jaco Zabala. Ako po yung lucky winner last April 2, 2026. And I'm so happy po and grateful to win a prize from GPC. At ang napalunan kong pera ay magagamit ko po para sa hospital bill ng father ko. Malaki po talagang tulong ito para sa amin. Again, thank you so much GPC for your kindness, this opportunity. Marami pa kayong matulungan. Thank you so much.
Congratulations again to our previous winner. Stories like that make everything feel more real. Because when you hear a real winner speak, ramdam mo talaga ang saya, ang surprise, at ang gratitude. And that's what makes GPC so exciting. These are real people, real moments, and real wins. So if habang pinapanood mo iyon, napapaisip ka rin ng, baka ako na next. A comment below, ako na next, because who knows, the next testimonial we play here might be yours. Now, if that made you smile, go ahead and share this live stream now. Share it with your friend, kabarkada mo, workmate mo, or someone you know who would appreciate a real opportunity. Because sometimes people don't need a hard sell. They just need to see something clear, simple, and real, at totoo. If you've shared this live already, please comment #shared_na. And I'll read your comments sa ating comment section below. Now, one thing I want to say today is this. A lot of people delay starting because they think they need something big. A big circle, a big audience, a big strategy, a big breakthrough. But in reality, many good results begin with small, consistent action. One person invited, one link shared, 1 week of staying active, and one smart decision repeated over time. And I think that's what makes this week's theme so relatable. Bawi na yan. Because for many people, the goal is not instant success. The goal is to feel that your effort is finally turning into something. That your membership is becoming more valuable. That your activity has direction. That what you're doing is starting to make sense. And that matters. Because so many Filipinos are hardworking already. Masipag na, madiskarte na, and what they want is something simple enough to sustain and clear enough to believe in. If that makes sense to you, please comment #progress. Now, for those who are new, let me explain GPC simply. Ginto Privilege Club is a platform where members can earn through direct referrals, win through giveaway entries and prize opportunities like today, and save through merchant partner perks and discounts. That's why we always say, earn, win, save. Inside GPC, members can access discounts and perks, weekly prize giveaways, and real cash from direct referrals. And that combination is powerful because it's not just one type of value. It is a platform where your membership can work for you in 3 different ways. Now, let's welcome some of our new viewers watching right now. Hello to Kathy Bacaro, Marlon Del Mundo, to Jennifer Mariano, and Abigail Badal. Thank you for watching us live. Now, let's talk about Refer and Rise. This week, I want to talk about it in a very practical way. Kasi sometimes people ask, kailangan ba marami akong kakilala? O kailangan ba magaling ako magbenta? Or kailangan ba sobrang dami kong time? And the truth is, not necessarily. Because what makes this work for many people is not pressure. It's consistency. Inside GPC, Refer and Rise is built around direct referrals only. It is explicitly not MLM, hindi ito network marketing, hindi ito pyramid scheme, wala itong downline and no cascading income. So let me say that clearly. Direct referrals only. No downlines. No complicated structure. And that's exactly why the idea of bawi makes sense here. Because when you keep sharing with real people in your circle, week after week, small results can build into something meaningful value. So, if you're looking for something modern, simple, and realistic, this is why so many people appreciate the model. Use the app as your income tool. It's there. If you believe in small, consistent action, comment naman kayo, #consistent ako. And if you're wondering whether consistency really makes a difference, let's hear from one of our recent top referrers. Let's watch Arceli Amos, who has been previously 3 times top referrer of the week. So 3 times na siya naging top referrer and each time meron siyang bonus ng 5,000 pesos. But last week, she became the top referrer of the week again, her 4th time na. So, ang total na natanggap niya na is 20,000 pesos. So, I want you to watch her testimonial video.
Hi everyone, it's me Arceli Amos and I would like to thank once again Ginto Privilege Club for being top 1 referrer for this week for the 4th time. And maraming salamat Ginto Privilege Club sa opportunity na binibigay niyo po sa amin every week sa ating 5,000 bonus for being top 1 referrer every week. And maraming salamat po dahil bukod doon sa ating Refer and Rise program is nagbukod doon sa ating commission doon is meron tayong 5,000 bonus every week. Huwag po kayong mag-startahan ng Ginto Privilege Club dahil malay nyo kayo naman po ang top 1 refer for the next week. And huwag po kayong magsawang i-share sa friends, families, workmates, and relatives yung inyong referral code para po magkaroon po kayo ng bonus every week. Lamang po Village Club and live golden, enjoy more. Thank you!
Congratulations again to Arceli. Ang ganda ng story mo because this is not just about being top referrer of the week. This is about consistency. Kahit hindi ka pa nananalo sa giveaway, hindi ka tumigil. Patuloy ka lang nag-share, nag-refer, at naniwala sa opportunity. At iyan ang gusto kong maintindihan ng lahat ngayon. Yes, maganda ang makakuha ng maraming referrals. Pero ang mas importante is this. Huwag mo silang pabayaan pagkatapos mag-sign up. Kasi dito nagkakatalo. Kung ang referral mo nag-join lang, sumubok lang ng 1 month, tapos hindi na nag-renew, hihinto rin ang recurring monthly income mo from that person. Yung referral commission mo only continues while the referred member stays active and paid. Pero kapag tinulungan mo sila, kapag in-educate mo sila, kapag ginabayan mo sila paano gamitin ang app at paano mag-refer, mas malaki ang chance na magstay sila at mag-renew month after month. At ito ang simple goal. Help your referral refer at least 3 people in their first month. Bakit importante yon? Because when they get early results, mas nakikita nila ang value ng membership. Mas naintindihan nila ang opportunity. Mas ginaganahan silang magpatuloy. At mas mataas ang chance na hindi sila 1-month trial lang. So, tanong ko sa inyo, ano ang mas gusto mo? 50 referrals na try lang for 1 month? Or solid, let's say, 15 referrals na tinulungan mo, ginabayan mo, at natulungan mong maka 3 referrals sa first month nila para mas malaki ang chance na mag-renew sila. Because in Refer and Rise, hindi lang paramihan ng sign-up. Paramihan ito ng active renewals din. Ang tunay na magaling na referrer, hindi lang promoter. Guide siya, educator siya, community builder siya. Binibigyan niya rin ng opportunity, same like her, yung mga referrals niya. So remember this. Don't just refer people. Teach them. Help them win early para maka-earn din sila. Because when your referrals stay active, that is when recurring monthly income becomes real. Mas okay ang 15 na solid at guided kaysa 50 na 1-month trial lang. If inspired ka sa story ni Arceli, comment kayo, tuloy lang, ako na ang susunod. Thank you and welcome to our 300 viewers. Now, here's another reason why referrals inside GPC are powerful. When someone joins through your referral link or code, they receive a double entry advantage sa first month nila. That means kung nag-join sila as basic, they receive automatic 20 entries. Kung elite naman, 200 instead of 100. Kung royal naman is 2,000 entries. Automatic yan. The moment you register, you get those entries automatically every week for 1 month. So when people join through your referral, they're not just becoming members, tinulungan mo rin sila. They're starting with extra advantage the right way. That makes your referral more attractive because you're helping them begin stronger from day one. And for those who want to understand the app better, we'd love to invite you. Join kayo sa GPC info session namin. Kasi dito nyo talaga malalaman na kung paano gagamitin ang app. We answer your questions, walk you through the app, and show you how to maximize your membership. And if you want to join, comment kayo, info session. And our team will send you the details. Now, we also want to invite you to be part of our community page sa aming Facebook. Ang community page namin is GPC Earn Win Save Circle. Because staying active becomes easier when you're in the right environment. When you see other members winning, earning, learning, and staying consistent, baka merong member dyan na baka they give you a tip on how to refer. So it reminds you that progress is possible for you too. If you want to join the group, comment naman kayo, join group. Now, let me remind our members of something important. If today is not your winning day, and even if you're still building your referral activity, your membership can still give you value right now. Because inside GPC, members also get access to merchant partner offers, discounts, and perks. That's the core part of the platform's value, not just the giveaways. And that matters because saving is value, discount is value, access is value. So please maximize your app. Punta kayo sa Ginto Deals and explore the merchant perks. But, well, for this week, I want to highlight 3. So, i-explore nyo. Ang first namin is Elevate Creative Studio. They're giving 10% off on all their services. Kung kailangan nyo ng content creation, branding sa business nyo, or visual experiences, they are giving 10% off to all our GPC members. Elevate Creative Studio. Second is Sophia Suites in Baguio. Kung pupunta kayo ng Baguio, GPC members get 5% off on all their suites. And the third one, oh my God, this is really good. Anytime Fitness in Palanan in their Makati branch, meron 1 month free. Isang whole month yan ng gym membership. For the whole month of April, walang limit. So if you're a GPC member and you live in Makati, take this advantage, take this opportunity kasi 1 month free na yung gym membership. These are amazing partner benefits that give real value to your membership. So don't miss out and make the most of this exclusive GPC offer. All right, now we're getting closer to the moment we've all been waiting for. And what I love about today's theme is this. Sometimes one good moment doesn't just excite you, it encourages you. It reminds you that effort is not wasted, that staying active matters, that little by little, something can build. And for one member today, this could be the moment that makes them say, worth it pala. May nangyari rin. Unti-unti, bawi na yan. Because sometimes, one win can change the whole mood of your week. So if you're still with us, comment, ready na. Now, I think this is it. The moment we've all been waiting for. To everyone watching from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and to our OFW supporting their loved ones from abroad, thank you for being here. Right now, one name, one member is about to receive 40,000 pesos cash. So, take a deep breath, because here we go. Our 40,000 Golden Thursday giveaway winner is Rudeline Donadillo. Congratulations, Rudeline. Ayan, I hope you're watching us live right now. Our team will contact you right now. So, and everyone, if you're watching, let's flood the comments with congratulations, Rudeline. Okay, while waiting for Rudeline to answer the call, we also want to welcome our newest merchant partners this week. Welcome to Great Lands Property Philippines, offering property consultations dedicated to helping you find the perfect home and investment. And also, welcome to Anytime Fitness Palanan in Makati branch. Now, it's really exciting to see the GPC circle continue to grow because that means more perks, more discounts, more offers, and more reasons to maximize your membership. Kung meron kang favorite brand or business, lalo na sa Mindanao kasi ang dami na nating members sa Mindanao. So kung may favorite brand or business kayo sa Mindanao, you'd love to see inside GPC, comment it below. I-comment nyo lang so we will approach that merchant partner na gusto nyo in Mindanao. Now, I think the winner is here, is ready. All right, just 1 second. I think Rudeline is here. Hello, Rudeline. How are you? I think we're doing the video call. How are you, Rudeline?
Hi, Mom.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Mom. Thank you. Thank you.
Now, are you watching us live right now sa ating Facebook page?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Nakita ko rin yung mga kasama ko.
so you know the reason why I'm calling you right now.
Yes, ma'am. Happy ako. Happy ako talaga.
Well, I
First
want
time.
I want you to congratulate you, Rudilyn. Ikaw ang nanalo sa ating 40,000 weekly Golden Thursday giveaway. Ano ba ang masasabi mo?
Yay! Thank you. No, happy ako, ma'am. I'm happy because I have no intention talaga to join the platform. Pero di ako makulit. So since makulit, sabi ko, okay, try. Magkano ba? Sabi niya, just go TNT ng Royal. Okay?
Store na hindi ka nagtiwala agad before, but I'm glad you
Yes,
made the
yes,
decision kasi ngayon, ikaw na yung nanalo.
Kasi hindi ako nanalo ng mga raffle. Bihira lang. So, medyo hesitant ako. Pero since si Ma'am Weng, I believe na naman talaga si Ma'am Weng as a friend. Sabi ko, okay, I will try. Try ko
Wow.
ngayon. Try ko lang.
And ano ba ang plan mo? Ano ba ang plan mo, Rudilyn, sa prize money mo sa 40,000 pesos?
Kaya sinabi sa akin yung may tumawag na nanalo nga ako to be sure. So sabi ko na first na naisip ko talaga is yung expansion ng sari-sari store. Kasi yun lang talaga ako pinagkukunan ng daily.
Yes.
I'm a solo parent. Widow ako. So I
right.
do not have partner in life. Parang yung sari-sari store ko, yung kaakibat ko on daily na financial needs.
Right.
So, I think mag-expand ako, bigasan, ganon, sa sari-sari store.
Wow, that's
Big deal na yung 40,000, my God!
I know, that's really good. And I'm so happy na makatulong ang Ginto Privilege Club na palaguin mo yung sari-sari store mo. So,
Yes, ma'am.
and thank you for believing with Ginto Privilege Club. I-share mo rin yung opportunity na ito with your friends. And also, after this call, our GPC representative will provide you the steps on kung paano mo i-claim yung prize money mo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
congratulations
thank you,
again.
Pero.
All right, thank
Thank you,
you. Bye.
God bless. Bye.
Ayan. Congratulations again, Rudilyn, and I'm so glad that GPC can help you sa plan mo na palaguin ang iyong sari-sari store. Now, before we close, one final reminder lang, join us at our next info session. Next week yan, Tuesday, April 21 at 5:30 p.m. 30 minutes lang to na info session kasi marami kayong matutunan talaga. You will understand the app better, ma-maximize nyo yung membership nyo para alam nyo kung paano talaga gamitin yung app and make the most of the opportunities. Hindi lang winning, but earning, saving, and winning. If interested kayo, mag-comment kayo, info session, so we will send you the link. And before we end, I want to leave you with this. Not every result arrives in one big moment. Sometimes the most meaningful progress happens little by little. One good decision, 1 week of showing up, one small effort repeated, one opportunity taken seriously. And then one day, you realize something is changing. You're learning, you're growing, you're seeing value, and you're building momentum. And that's why this week's message is simple. Bawi na yan. Because sometimes progress doesn't shout. Sometimes it builds quietly. So if today wasn't your moment yet, don't lose heart. Keep showing up. Keep staying active. Keep sharing. Keep giving yourself the chance to build something meaningful. Magtiwala kayo kagaya ni Rudilyn. Because next time, it may just it may not just be that someone else's name we will be calling. It could be yours. Salamat sa ating 240 viewers. I'm Miss Ginto, and this is Ginto Privilege Club. Earn, win, save. Live golden, enjoy more. See you next Thursday.